Good morning, students. In the previous section, we have studied what is respiration and its type. Now, we will study about respiratory organs which help in respiration. As we have seen that various respiratory organs which help in respiration are nose, nostrils, nasal cavity, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Today we will be studying about nasal cavity and nostrils. Respiratory system begins with nostril. Nostrils are one pair in human being which are a type of external opening of respiration. They opens in a cavity which is known as nasal cavity. This nasal cavity can be divided into three sections: vestibular chamber, respiratory chamber and olfactory chamber. They all perform different and very important functions. The first part of respiratory cavity or nasal cavity, which is vestibular chamber, helps in filtration of air. It is lined by a delicate membrane which is known as mucous membrane. This mucous membrane has mucus secreting cell and hairs. It helps the dust particle to stick, thus helping in filtration of air. The second chamber, which is respiratory chamber, is also lined by mucous membrane, but this region is very highly vascular. Vascular means it is richly supplied with blood vessels which perform a very important function. That is, it helps to be acting like an air conditioner. Air conditioner means if we inhale cold air, then it can damage the lung. So the blood provide heat and air gets warm. In case if we inhale warm air, then also alveoli may damage. So in that case, the mucus secretion by the membrane is increased. Because of this, it evaporates. And as you all know that evaporation requires heat which is taken from the hot air. When heat is taken from the hot air, it again becomes cool. Thus, it helps in regulation of temperature of air which enter the respiratory system. This function is performed by the middle part of nasal cavity, that is respiratory chamber. The last part of nasal cavity is olfactory chamber. Olfactory chamber is lined by sensory membrane. This sensory membrane have certain sense organ which are related to smell. Thus, the nostril opens in the nasal cavity which perform an important function of filtration of air, perform the function of smell, and the third and the most important is maintaining or regulating the temperature of air. This nasal passage is supported by certain bones such as nasal, premaxilla, maxilla and ethmoid bones. This nasal cavity further opens in larynx, which we will study in the later section.